can see, man. First POV video coming to y'all. In the Camaro SS, y'all can see I got the starlights on, you know. First POV drive, finna hit I-10. Take a little drive. Hope y'all boys enjoy the video, man, for real. I wanna do like minimum talking too. Like, I don't know, let me know if y'all like talking. If y'all just like the ASMR type of vibe. I'ma do like a mixture of both. So, you know, since my first video, I'ma do a little talking here and there, but not too crazy for real. But I'ma definitely do the ones where I don't talk at all. And I'ma do the ones, you know, where I'm talking and stuff like that. It all depends. I'm just go with the move type of thing, you know what I'm saying? Good little pool, man. Pull a day. Take the pain away, man. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, I don't be driving too reckless, though, man. I'm really just a chill dude, for real. I ain't gonna lie. I be on some chill shit. I just like cruising, for real. Don't get it wrong. Like, when it's time to go, I could get up out of there now. But I just be chilling, man. Yeah, feel, man. What do you got? He ain't trying to do nothing with that motherfucker for real, man. Oh, that's a girl. That's a girl, y'all. What the fuck? That's a girl. What the? It's so weird seeing girls like, you know what I'm saying? Like, not to be no sexist or nothing like that, but shit, man. Oh, that's up behind me? Look at this nigga, bro. Chat, I just get out a quick little something, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm chilling now, though. I'm chilling. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, I'm chilling. I think she seen that I had the POV camera, man. I ain't gonna lie. Cause she was staring and then, you know, with God time. I don't know, I think that was a Scat though, I ain't gonna lie. You know, what's a little scatty wagon for you. Nothing too crazy. Something decent. You feel me? What they do right there? Moving like it's something fast or some shit. Probably a Honda or some shit. I knew it. It's a little charger joint right here. Nah, that's a regular charger, man. like it's a Mustang. I don't know if you're gonna merge onto here though. See what I'm saying? Now why is buddy? Like, bro. Sound of that exhaust just does it every time, bro. Like, I'm talking about like every time, bro. Like, damn, I think that is a Scatty. That's a Daytona for sure. So I know it got a Hemi in it. A Hemi. There you Hemi, boy. What is he trying to do, buddy? Oh, that's a regular truck. Damn, you gotta swing your brake like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to have some fun. You don't wanna have no fun with me, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like, you don't wanna have no fun with me, bro. Vroom, vroom, vroom. About to go on that left lane. Why is the traffic so like, you know what I'm saying? It is goddamn me. That's like damn near 10, bro. Like, nah, yeah, like look, it's damn near 10. It's 9:51. Why the hell is there so many cars on the goddamn street, bro? Stay out of Houston, folks. Do not come over here. Giving me Dallas vibes on this jump, man. For real. What was that on my ass, bro? Like, why is you on my ass? Bro, get your ass on, bro. Like, damn, all that shrimp ass nigga. Get your ass on too. You know what I'm saying? Get that ass on too, buddy. Boy, you ain't trying to play for real. Oh, yeah? And that man gone, man. So nobody just gonna go in this lane right now. Yeah, man. Daytona. I ain't gonna play with you, man. I don't want no smoke from Mr. Daytona, man. You feel me? Why Mr. Daytona come behind me, fool? You don't want that smoke, bro. You don't want that smoke, not Daytona. You know what I'm saying? This S, you know what I'm saying? This a little S wood. You know what S is stand for something serious, my boy. And I'm telling you, you come line up that 392, I'm gonna give you 392 reasons why you should not line up to me no more. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at that motherfucker right there. That's a bad mamma jamma. I'm gonna give him some time to catch us. See if he tries some. I'm gonna let him try some. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let him try some. I'm gonna ease up on the gas, bro. I'm gonna ease up on the gas. He ain't wanna try nothing for real, man. He ain't trying to act a donkey, man. You know what I'm saying? Really trying to see it all, like. I wanna pull it to Buc-ee's for real. Let me see. I should get in this lane, but they finna merge for real. Damn, man. So, alright, man. Hope y'all enjoy this quick little, you know what I'm saying? Just a calm little POV drive for real. Should I turn right here? Yeah, I'm gonna turn right here. Calm little POV drive, man. If you enjoyed, drop a like on the video, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment down below and all that shit, man. Y'all boy notified, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one for real, man. Alright, y'all. We gone.